In sometime in 2019, there was a report that forest guards, like how we have police people, there are a lot of forest guards who are guarding our national resources in national parks, tiger reserves, and all. And poaching is a common problem. And in 2018 and 19, 150 forest guards were killed by poachers in a very unique way. In the sense, they don't use bullets or they don't use poison. They use a wire, live wire, 440 volts wire. They pull the wire from the nearest power source and bury it on the ground a little, so that when an elephant or a tiger stamps on that, they get electrocuted and die. And elephants and tigers, it's fine because they don't have a technology to identify, but we are humans. No, we are supposed to have some solutions for that. They didn't have anything, and 150 people, 50 people died. Now, this was identified by a society called World Wildlife Fund. Many people would know, or WWF. It's an international agency. And when they approached us, then we thought this has to be solved by students. Let us put a challenge to people, students, faculty, anybody, whoever comes with a good solution, we will provide them support in the form of mentorship, funding, prototyping, how to commercialize it, because students know how to make things, but how to sell things, it's a different thing. So we ran a challenge, and a lot of students from small towns like Anantapur, Kadiri, Guntakal, these kind of towns, they participated in this challenge. It's a competition. Now, one college, a small town called Kuppam, a couple of students and faculty came with an idea that they want to develop a small watch which will detect the live wire. Okay, it's a wearable device, and guards can wear, and whenever they're going in the forest patrolling, it will identify the live wire and it will tell whether there is a wire or not, so that they can take necessary measures. Now, when we did a small prototype, we need to know whether it really works or not. Then we spoke to WWF, Government of India. The kids, I mean, students went to the Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh, and they gave this to forest guard. There's a picture here. The forest guard was using that device. When we gave the device, and after using, there was tears in his eyes. Sir, we know that tigers can kill us, but that's a natural phenomenon. But some thief is killing us. We don't even know that death is in front of us. You have solved our problem. Aapne apna jaan bacha liya. No, they were saying in Hindi. No, you have saved our lives. See, that's exactly what entrepreneurship means. Creating value to someone. It could be anyone. In this case, the forest guards. Now, Government of India purchased 100 pieces from these kids. And students also realize that studying engineering is not just for a job. Their studies, their learning is adding value to someone else. Then there is so much of potential. See, there are several prototypes we did here. There are 4 prototypes we did here. Finally, the final prototype, again, there was a lot of improvement based on the feedback from the customer, means the forest guards, based on the feedback from the officials. Then finally, this particular product was launched in a college. So that is what an incubation center is capable of doing. Taking problem, your own knowledge, add to that, bring a beautiful product that can save lives.